Hello children, how are you? Children, today's our lesson is Indian history and culture. In previous class, we have learnt about ancient history, Indian culture and Indian history. Today, we are going to learn about some monuments that reflect our Indian history. Okay children? Children, you will achieve the following learning outcomes from this lesson. You will be able to explain about monuments that reflect Indian history. You will try to learn the history of monuments. Okay children, there are many ancient inscriptions, temples, monuments, stupas, forts which reflect our country's history and culture. Yes, these monuments, temples, stupas will reflect our culture and our history. మరి monuments అంటే చారిత్రక కట్టడాలు, temples, stupas, forts, కోటలు ఇవన్నీ కూడా మన ఇండియన్ హిస్టరీ ఎలా ఉండేది, మన కల్చర్ ఎలా ఉండేది తెలియజేస్తాయి. We can understand the history better by visiting and collecting the details about them. Let us have a look at such monuments of our country. Yes. Now we will observe some monuments of our country. Do you know children? What is this? The Sarnath Stupa. The Sarnath Stupa was built by Emperor Ashoka. Yes, this monument was built by King Ashoka. It is in dome shape. The dome shaped construction made of bricks and stones is called a stupa. This stupa is made with bricks and stones. This stupa in Sarnath is near Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. Yes, this stupa is in Sarnath. Sarnath is near to Varanasi. Varanasi is in Uttar Pradesh state. This is a very ancient monument. Ancient means very old monument. Okay children? This is the Ashoka's pillar at Sarnath. This is also at Sarnath. This is called as Ashoka's pillar. It is a standing stone pillar made up of sandstone obtained from Chunar. Yes, it is made with sandstone. This sandstone brought from a place called Chunar. Chunar is near to Varanasi. మరి చూనార్ నుంచి తెచ్చిన శాండ్ స్టోన్తో ఈ అశోకాస్ పిల్లర్ని కట్టారనమాట. 4 lines are engraved on 4 sides of the pillar. Yes, we can see 4 lines on 4 sides of the pillar. You might have observed this on your coins. Yes, we can observe this picture on our coins, 1 rupee coins, 2 rupees coins. We can observe this Ashoka's pillar. Rajasthani style of sculpture is seen in this smooth pillar. This pillar is smooth and it is in Rajasthani style. మరి రాజస్థానీ స్టైల్లో ఉన్న శిల్పం అన్నమాట ఇది. Next one is the Telangana Martyr Stupa. Martyr means చనిపోయిన వాళ్ళ గుర్తుగా నిర్మించేదన్నమాట. Martyr means చనిపోయిన వాళ్ళు. The stupa is in front of the State Assembly in Hyderabad. Yes, this stupa we can observe in front of Assembly. It was built in memory of the people who laid down their lives during 1969 Telangana movement. In Telangana movement, most of the people లాస్ట్ దేర్ లైఫ్స్. మరి తెలంగాణ మూమెంట్లో, తెలంగాణ ఉద్యమంలో చాలామంది చనిపోయారు. వాళ్ళకి గుర్తుగా ఈ తెలంగాణ మాటియర్ స్తూపాన్ని బిల్డ్ చేయడం జరిగింది. దిస్ స్తూప ఆల్వేస్ రిమైండ్స్ ద స్పిరిట్ ఆఫ్ తెలంగాణ మూమెంట్. స్పిరిట్ మీన్స్ స్ఫూర్తి. అంటే ఈ స్తూపాన్ని చూసినప్పుడు వాళ్ళు గుర్తుకు వస్తారన్నమాట. దిస్ ఈస్ కుతుబ్ మినార్, ది కుతుబ్ మినార్. The Qutub Minar is situated in our country's capital city, Delhi. Yes, Qutub Minar is in Delhi. Delhi is our capital city. Its construction was started by Qutbuddin Aibak and was completed by Iltutmish. Qutub Minar construction was started by Qutbuddin Aibak. Qutbuddin Aibak started Qutub Minar construction. But Iltutmish completed the construction of Qutub Minar. Its height is about 72.5 meters. The height of Qutub Minar is 72.5 meters. This is Red Fort, the Red Fort. When will you see this Red Fort? On Independence Day. The Red Fort is in our country's capital, Delhi. Like Qutub Minar, Red Fort is also in Delhi. National flag is hoisted here on the Independence Day. Independence Day ki ikkada jendani egaravestar. It is built with red stone, so it is called as Red Fort. A mix of Persian and Indian style is clearly observed in its architecture. మరి ఇది ఎలా డిజైన్ చేయబడి ఉంది? ఇండియన్ స్టైల్, పర్షియన్ స్టైల్ రెండు కూడా మిక్స్ అయిపోయి ఇది డిజైన్ చేయబడి ఉందన్నమాట. లెట్స్ సీ ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్. Children, you can identify this monument. What is this? Yes, this is Charminar, the Charminar. Charminar is in the city of Hyderabad in Telangana. We can see Charminar in Hyderabad. It is about 58 meters high. Its height is 58 meters. There are 4 minarets on its 4 corners. We can see 4 minars here. 4 sides, 4 minars we can observe. It was constructed in the year 1591. Yes. It was constructed in the year 1591. Charminar is constructed by Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah to commemorate the end of the plague in the city. Next one is 1000 Pillar Temple. Here in this temple we can observe 1000 pillars. Some pillars are attached and formed a wall. Some pillars are separated. They are built separately. We can see this 1000 pillar temple in Warangal. It is in Warangal city of our state. This temple of Lord Shiva belongs to the Kakatiya period. Yes, Kakatiyas built this 1000 pillar temple. It is a place of beautiful sculptures. Sculpture means శిల్పాలు. మనం ఇక్కడ చాలా శిల్పాలని అబ్జర్వ్ చేయవచ్చు అన్నమాట. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, వాట్ కెన్ వి లెర్న్ ఫ్రమ్ ద ఇంపార్టెంట్ మాన్యుమెంట్స్? వాట్ డు యు లెర్న్ ఫ్రమ్ దీస్ మాన్యుమెంట్స్? Yes, by observing these monuments you can study the history of that place. Children, with this our session is completed. Here is the homework for you. You answer these questions and show it to your teacher. Write few lines about Charminar. Name some Indian monuments. Name some monuments present in our state. Children, shall we meet in next class? Thank you.